Jamaican black cake is one of my favorite things to bake over the holidays. You'll find the full recipe in the description box. In this video, I'll teach you how to make minis that are perfect for gift giving or mailing. You start out by creaming together your butter and your brown sugar. I like to start with a fork and then use my hand mixer. You may notice that I'm only making half of the batch. Hopefully, you've already got your fruit mixture soaking. Mine has been going for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks by now. Once the butter and sugar are well combined, go ahead and add your eggs one at a time. You also want to preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you've incorporated all of the eggs, go ahead and drop in your dry ingredients. I like to pre-measure mine and then mix them in about a half cup at a time. Use a lower setting so you don't overwork the batter. That's what makes it tough. Now for the fun part. Add in your vanilla and your browning. This is what it looks like, sort of a thin molasses. It's actually a burnt sugar syrup that gives the cake its trademark color. Once it's all mixed in, it looks just like a really dark chocolate cake. Once you see no more streaks of color, then you can put away the hand mixer. Grind up your Drunken fruit in a food processor and then gently fold it in. It's okay if there's still some big pieces of raisins. Now because I'm mailing some of these and I'm giving some away at the office, I'm making these very small. I got these little paper loaf pans and they're just right. Each pan gets 1 scoop and it'll end up just a little bit bigger than a cupcake. They'll look really cute when they're decorated. You can also use the batter to make one big cake, you just have to bake it for longer. At this size, I baked them for 40 minutes. You want them to cook low and slow. If I was giving them away right now, I would just brush them with a rum and sugar syrup. But since I'm mailing them, I'll do something a little different. This weekend, I'll show you how to finish them off and get them ready for mailing. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you.